Hi guys, it's Apple Expert here in another video repairing a MacBook. We are located at 1504 14th Street Southwest in Calgary. We do specialize in Apple product repairs and upgrades as well as data recovery, including LogicBoard repairs, liquid damage Mac repairs, recoveries from iPhones, iPads, Mac where the SSD soldered on the motherboard, external hard drives, everything we can do. Today we received A1534 12-inch MacBook. Those were made 2015, 16, 17. Hard drive is part of the motherboard. It came in for data recovery. We're going to show you what's going on in here. Here's my tweezer. So here's the tweezer. I think I have everything. So I'm going to check what's the power consumption for this board. I'll connect my power supply. Try to make a small video here for the reading in here. So we have 0, 20 volt, nothing. So let's see what's going on. Let me confirm it is, yeah, we are live here. Okay, I don't see anything. Let me disconnect the board. I'll put this aside for you here. So one of the common failures of those boards is the power chip, CPU, hard drive. One of the main ones, CPU won't generate enable signal for the drive. We start looking for shorts. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so normally this guy communicates with the CD. Oh, you see what I see here? We have a hit. So that's it. Clearly there was something going on with the CD321580. Wow. So this is, if we look at the schematic here, that's the U3100. It communicates with the SMC through some pull-up resistors. Those carry the data line for the USB-C communication, and as we see, there's a short. Okay, let's remove the the CD3215B and see if the short disappears. I got a new JBC hot air. They are expensive but worth the money. First time, the first one did not last a month, but we are heavy users here, and we will see how long this will last. I got asked a question all the time. What's your what do I set up the my hot air? Well, there is no specific temperature. I mean, it depends on your working environment. So I might set up here at 350, and the inside in the room in the back I might go 350, 340. So those laptops we specialize in, We are one of the few people here in Alberta that does those. As you see, there is no short anymore. So indeed that was the chip. I'll start cleaning the chip. We get a lot of those data recovery jobs where the hard drive part of the motherboard, where you go to another store and they will tell you it is not possible, we have to ship it away, it costs over $3,000. That's not true. Here at Apple Expert, our recovery is done by professional electrical engineers, and we do a lot of those daily. MacBook 12-inch, the new MacBooks, MacBook 2017, 18, 19. We receive a lot of iMacs with dead spinning hard drive or a Fusion hard drive or SSDs. We have really high success rate on them. One of the things that we do free estimate on the spot here. We don't charge people for them. We never charge people for estimate or diagnosis. Or our technicians are certified. We do a lot of iPhones, data occurs from iPhones where the iPhone's boot looping. The challenges we having is we get all the time is where people take them to other places that's juniors or unprofessional, and they make more damage. We ended up a good percentage of them we are not able to fix because they did unreversible damage, or instead of take us few hours to do, it take us days. I just cleaned this. Now we have to hunt for the CD3215. Let's see, where is the chip? I took it out. Okay, is this the chip? No, that's for another laptop, maybe this. Yeah, so I'll put the chip in here. You see here? That's the problem. You see? People ask me why this happened. That could be due to many reasons, using non-original Apple cables or chargers, and it's really bad to use them. We get this a lot, and some people they argue, oh, but I've been using my non-original Apple cable or charger for how many years, nothing happened. Yeah, you never know. It might happen right away, it might take time, but it's not worth it to take the risk on using non-original Apple chargers and cables. And there is a common characteristic between those devices that they came in here for data recovery. I would say most of them, majority of them, they use non-original Apple chargers and cables, and they're bad. So let's try to look for CD3215B01. I don't know if I have them ready or I have to rebuild them. Let's see, CD3215C00. That I don't believe it will work. What is this? I used to have them organized. I get them mixed up. Worst come to worst. I don't have it here, so we put this back. Okay, maybe here. Let's see what we got. Will this work? Can we use this? Yeah. If I remember well, the CD3215C00 is cross compatible with this guy here. So let's see where is pin 1, and here is pin 1. This is what I like about when we receive a machine that no one touched before. It's almost a guaranteed repair. We get also asked by some customers, why do you charge more than other stores? As simple as here, we know what we're doing. It's based on science and studying and the schematic engineering. We don't do trial and error with customer machines. We get it done. Let's see. Can we get it from the first time? Okay. Soldering those chips is a little bit annoying because you don't see under the chip and the pads under the chip, so it's based on how you feel the chip and the board. Let's Oh, you see how the chip danced? Yep. That should do the job. Now, did I knock off this? Was anything in there? Let's find out. No, there was nothing. Now let's check for short. So now let's go ground. No short, no short. Did I knock off anything here or here? No. Okay. So I'll just test it before I do ultrasonic cleaning. Try to record with the other phone. Oh, we get, I'll show you here. So here is 0. I'll try to make it fast. Sorry, I'm just recording now. So 0, 0. I will. Five volt, 20 volt, 100 milliamp. Okay, I'll close it. Let's connect the screen. What I care about actually is having a screen. So I'll connect the screen back. Okay, and so I connect it back again. No screen yet. No screen yet. Okay, I still have a 20 volt. So let's continue working on this board. We got the volt to go to 20 volt. I'm going to check around the CD3215, since that the last chip I changed. Maybe we missed something. I'm putting the voltmeter on diode mode. Let me start recording here. Wait. I'll focus my microscope. Okay, so .5, 0.55, 0.5. Oh, we have a short here. Okay, so let's look at the schematic. Easier on the board view. So this goes, so basically, let me just maximize this. So this capacitor connect to this resistor, connect to the CD, then connect back to the power chip from this side. So what I will do, I will remove the CD again, and I'll see if the short goes away. Maybe the CD3215C is not cross-compatible with the B version of it. I remember they are. Maybe I'm mistaken, I don't know. So let me save this chip for now. Again, let's clean. You see me doing this fast. I did many of those. Okay, let's clean it. And I'll check for the short again. Okay, my voltmeter. Okay, no short. That's a capacitor. This is normal, no short here. Okay, so let me solder another CD. I had one here on the table, which I don't see now. Oh, here. So I take those from other boards and I re-bolt them. Hopefully they work. Let me clean it. Actually, I see one. I don't want this to bridge. Okay. right. I'm using the B version this time. Okay. Some plugs. Okay, things going well. He's dancing again. Hopefully the CD chip is working. See, there's no short. So there's a progress. There's no short here. No short. There's a short here. So R3102. Here's a short. So let's see what's R3102. Oh, so R3102, if you look at the schematic, it's a 0 ohm resistor, and this side is a ground, this side is a ground, so it's just like a wire, so that's normal. Capacitor, ground, normal, normal, normal. You know what, I will try it. So where is my charging port? I don't see the charging port. Here is my charging port. I'll connect it. The board still has to be cleaned. What we got now? 5 volt. Okay, I believe it is working now because it's drawing 400 milliamp. I will check for you now fast.
Which power cord you?
So what we have to do this during business hours, so the phone will keep ringing. People here will answer.
Okay. Oh, the MagSafe one you mean.
So I'll grab the phone.
For 13-inch or 15-inch?
So we have 20 volt, 400 milliamp. We need an Apple logo.
Original one.
We should have an Apple logo now.
70 plus tax.
Yep.
70 plus tax.
This customer will be so happy.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just finished fixing MacBook A1534, 12-inch MacBook, where the hard drives are part of the motherboards. So it is possible, data recovery is possible on those machines. If you've been told by the big stores or other stores that is not possible, you can get another opinion by coming to Apple Expert. We specialize in data recovery from MacBooks, external hard drives, USB sticks, iPhones, all Apple products repair and upgrades. We are located at 1504 14th Street Southwest in Calgary, and all of our repairs are done by professional engineers and certified techs. Thank you guys. See ya.